of accountancy video, partnership fundamental. In this video we will learn preparing partners fluctuating capital account and adjustment in closed account, past adjustments. First of all, we will know preparing fluctuating capital account of partners. The format of capital account, particular, rupees and rupees. Particulars, rupees. This one is partner A, partner B, A and B, and this is capital account. Credit side we will transfer by, and in debit side to. Whatever a partner receives from partnership firm or what is debited to profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, is credited to partner's capital account. What a partner receives from partnership firm, it is credited to partner's capital account. And if partner withdraws something or suffers a loss, then the drawing and proportion of loss, the capital account is debited. There are only two situations in which a capital account of partner is debited. Either a partner capital account is credited always. First of all, we will write balance BD, opening balance brought down. The second one is salary to partner, commission, interest on capital, and share of profit. Carefully attend. There are 4 or 5 items which is transferred to credit side of partner's capital account. First of all, balance BD, opening balance of partner's capital. Thereafter, salary. If any partner receives salary from partnership firm during financial year, his account will be credited by that amount. Commission. If a partner receives commission from partnership firm, his account is also credited. Interest on capital, his account is credited, and share of profit, their account will be credited. It means the credit side increases the balance of partner's capital account. This side increases the balance of capital. On the other hand, debit side decreases the balance of capital. How the capital of partner will be decreased? If the partner withdraws something from partnership firm, his capital account will be debited. His balance will be reduced. Then to cash or bank, if he withdraws by check, we will write here bank, or if he withdrew in cash, it will be to cash. Cash. Interest on drawing, drawings as well as interest on drawing, both are losses for the partners. Partner withdraws from the partnership firm, so his balance will be reduced by that amount. Drawing, interest on drawing, and share of loss. Suppose a firm has no profit, the firm has loss, then loss will also be distributed between partner, among partner in agreed ratio. Then by the amount of loss, the capital account will be reduced of the partner. So this side, the balance of capital decreases. The credit side, the balance of capital increases. Whenever the partner receives something from the partnership firm, it is credited, or whenever partner withdraws interest on drawing and suffers loss, his capital is debited to the account. Now we will balance. After finding out the total balance we will deduct from credit to debit, and the balance will be balance CD, closing balance carried down. This balance CD is later on transferred to capital to balance sheet of the firm, because in balance sheet the closing balance of partner is transferred. So after finding out the closing balance of the partner, it will be transferred to balance sheet for preparing financial statement. The next topic is adjustment in closed account. Adjustment in closed account. Carefully attend. The topic related to adjustments resulting wrong distribution of something. The name of this topic is adjustment in closed account. Why closed account? Because they have distributed profit already in some other ratio, what is known as wrong ratio, what they are entitled to receive according to partnership deed. Adjustment in closed account or past adjustment. This is the topic, this is the name of the topic, adjustment in closed account, known as past adjustment. It means mistake has already been made by the partner, and this mistake is now required to be rectified and passing correcting entry. In this way, one partner will be debited and another will be credited by the same amount, or one partner is debited and one or more partner is credited by the same amount, because journal entry must be tallied. Why this is required to be made? Because one partner has benefited more than the other, and this mistake, this error is required to be rectified before preparing final account of the partners. And the entry in which the partners are debited or credited is later on transferred to his capital account by mistake or by error. Then adjustment in closed account, known as past adjustment. Past adjustment. Why closed account? Because partner has already distributed everything in wrong ratio and accounts are closed, because 31st March has already passed away. Later on, it is found out that the distribution which had been made earlier is not right according to partnership deed. This mistake is required to be rectified by passing a single journal entry. How this mistake will be rectified and what entry will be passed? Suppose there are two partners in a firm, A and B, and the profit of the firm is 50,000, and profit of the firm is 50,000, and their ratios are equal, 1:1. There are two partners in a firm, partner A, partner B, and the ratio of distribution profit is equal, and they have distributed this profit in equal ratio. But later on, it is discovered that interest on capital as provided by partnership deed at the rate of 10% is not provided for. It means the partner has distributed this profit without making provision of interest on capital. This is a mistake. This is required to be rectified. Suppose now the capital of A is 1 lakh and the B is 2 lakh, and the rate of interest required to be charged is 10%, and without providing interest on capital, the partner has distributed 50,000 in equal ratio without providing interest on capital. Then the rectification will be made. Interest partner will be credited by the interest because partner receives interest, or if any partner receives from partnership firm, his capital account is credited. So interest on 1 lakh at the rate 10% is 10,000, and interest on 2 lakh at the rate of 10% is 20,000. Then this 30,000 is required to be adjusted before final distribution of this profit, but the partner has already distributed this profit without making adjustment of capital. So first of all, we will adjust capital and thereafter distribute profit. If 10,000 and 20,000, total 30,000 interest will be provided, the firm will have to suffer a loss of 30,000 again. Once again, if the firm will pay interest to A 10,000 and B to 20,000, overall 30,000, the firm will have to suffer interest of rupees 30,000 again, and this loss is also required to be distributed between A and B. So 30,000 loss which firm has suffered debited to A and B, and the ratio is equal 1:1. It means 15,000 and 15,000. We have already distributed 30,000, 15,000 in profit sharing ratio. Then credit and debit, if we compare, we find that 5,000 exceeds debit and here 5,000 exceeds credit. We can observe that debit and credit are equal here because we require to pass journal entry to rectifying this entry, and the amount will be always same. Then A is required to be debited for rupees 5,000 and B is required to be credited for rupees 5,000. The entry will be A's capital account or current account debit to B's capital account credit by rupees 5,000, and this rectification has taken place. Once again, recapitulate. There are two partners in a firm, A and B. Profit sharing ratio was equal. The firm has earned a profit of rupees 50,000 and this 50,000 has been distributed between A and B in agreed ratio, even if, but without providing for interest on capital. There was the one type of mistake, which is past adjustment. So interest at the rate of 10% is provided first, and the total interest 30,000 is a loss for firm, and this loss has distributed between A and B in equal ratio, and the resultant amount is 5,000, 5,000. One partner is debited and other is credited. It means A will pay 5,000 to B. What is the consequence of this journal entry is A is debited, A is debtor and B is creditor. A will give 5,000 to B and this rectification will be finished. Okay, next topic, minimum guarantee, we will do in our next video. Thank you.